as you can see, we've actually redeemed one of the vouchers back in November the 2nd, 2020. And so we started. So I'm just going to show you what it looks like. And then you simply go click here to book your dates. That's after you've paid the taxes and that. Okay, so let's go and redeem it. So then you simply go when you want to check in. So let's have a quick look here. I'm going to go around August because August is my birthday. And you can see here the valid weekends are already pre-booked out for this specific location. So let's have a quick look. So I'm going to book it in for August the 15th. Okay. Sorry. Let's just try the 19th. Okay. So this one is normally it's 2 adults, but I'm going to try 2 children. So one child is 2 and the other child is 6. Okay, apply, and then search. So as you can see, because I'm looking for the Sunshine Coast, so for that date, there is 2 options for me. I think I'm going to go to the break-free ones because I don't mind those hotels. Let's view the hotel itself. All right, so let's have a quick look. It's not bad. Looks like it's right on the beach. It's got a big pool and a spa. Okay, so I will book this one. So as you can see, it's a 2-bedroom apartment, a garden apartment, 0 cost. And all I need to do is book now. So if I wanted water views, I pay $28 per night or 3 bedrooms or more. So it just goes up. This is how the accommodation places make money. Okay. I'm going to go to this 3-bedroom with garden view. So it's going to cost me pretty much $95 per night. So I think it's still a very good deal. So if I clicked on that, let's go. Are you sure you want these dates? Correct. I'm going to say yes. All right. So anyway, there you go. All right. So it's per night. So Sunday night, Saturday. So $378 4 nights. And then you just put in your payment details and complete reservation, and it's complete. That's all you need to do.